What's up? It's Gene and Gene's Motivation. Are you allowing small-minded people to control your life? I'm talking about people. When you tell them your big dreams, they tell you all the reasons they won't happen in order to replace your big dreams with the small dreams they have for you. I'm talking about people who do everything within their power to try to keep the eagle within inside of you from spreading its wings. This reminds me of a story that I learned as a kid about this mother eagle who decided to go soar amongst the clouds. And as she was soaring, she was holding her baby's egg. And as she soared over this barn, the owner of the barn came out and mistaken her as a geese, took his shotgun and pow! He shot her, and her body started to fall down like a falling star. And she dropped her egg amongst these turkey eggs. The eggs hatched together, and all the turkeys made fun of the eagle because he looked different. They made fun of his beak. They made fun of his size. They did anything they could to discourage him because he was different. And one day the eagle was walking by himself, and he looked up into the sky, and he saw this eagle, and he said to himself, I can soar like that eagle. His heart started to beat real fast. His intuition kept saying, you can soar like an eagle. So he went over to the tree and he started climbing the tree to try to realize his dream. And all the turkeys came out and said, what are you doing? He said, I'm going to soar like an eagle. Man, you can't soar like an eagle. You a dumb turkey just like the rest of us. Turkeys can't fly. You would never leave this barn just like none of the rest of us will leave this barn. You cannot soar like an eagle. He ignored them and he climbed to the middle of the tree. He got to the tree and he spread his little wings. He jumped out of the tree to prove them wrong, and bam, he hit the ground. They started to make fun of him. And they said, we told you, you're a dumb turkey just like the rest of us. You could never soar like an eagle. He became discouraged because he started to listen to them, just like many of us do. When we take that first step to go after something that we want, it don't work out like we wanted to the first time, and we start listening to all the small-minded people in our lives. So we don't even want to try anymore because we don't want to be made fun of. So what happened to the eagle? The eagle became so discouraged. He, for 2 years, kept being made fun of, kept being ridiculed. And then one day he was walking by himself once again. He looked up into the sky, and this time he saw a bigger eagle. This eagle was so big, it looked like it blocked out the sun. His heart started to beat. His intuition said you can soar like an eagle. But then he had self-doubt in his mind, reminding him of when he tried in the past, he failed and he got made fun of. But then he became ingenious with his own dream. Ingenious in a way to push himself to live his dream. And he decided he was going to climb up to the top of the tree. He started climbing up to the top of the tree. The turkeys came out to him and said, what are you doing, fool? He said, I'm going to soar like an eagle. I'm going to go to the top of the tree and I'm going to die trying. They said, well, you know what? Go ahead and climb to the top of that tree, because when you jump out that tree to spread your wings and try to soar like an eagle, you will die. So we're going to start digging your grave right now. He climbed up to the top of the tree. They was laughing at him. They was waiting for him to kill himself. He gets to the top. He spread his wings. And he says to himself, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. He jumped out of that tree and he soared like an eagle because he was born to be an eagle from the beginning. And it's the same thing with us. We all have an eagle inside of us, but we cannot become the eagle that we're destined to be if we're surrounded by turkeys, if we're surrounded by small-minded people. Because eagles are born to soar. And turkeys, y'all know this is November. They end up on somebody's Thanksgiving table. They decide to live a life of Thanksgiving. What I mean by Thanksgiving, I mean the table that they living on is a Thanksgiving of mediocrity, a Thanksgiving of playing a victim, a Thanksgiving of fear. And they want you to do the same thing. And when they invite you to that Thanksgiving, it's not the Thanksgiving that you're thinking about. What they secretly saying is, thank you for giving me the opportunity to kill your dream. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to kill your self-esteem. And thank you for giving me the opportunity from stopping you from outworking me. And the only way you can ever become the person you're destined to be, the only way you can ever become the eagle that you're destined to be, you have to get the turkeys from around you. And the best way to do that is to find other eagles, find other people who have vision, find an organization, find friends who want to go somewhere with their life, because these are the people that will feed your vision. These are the people that will encourage you to become the eagle that you are destined to be. And this is Eugene Mosley once again encouraging you to be ingenious with your life. Peace.